Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome back to Flah Hadith Explained. In today's episode, we unravel the wisdom behind the recitation of Bismillah Rahman Rahim as a verse at the beginning of every surah, except Surah at-Tawbah. Let's dive into the illuminating hadith that sheds light on this unique aspect of the Quran. Anas reported, one day the Messenger of Allah was sitting amongst us that he dozed off. He then raised his head smilingly. We said, "What makes you smile, Messenger of Allah?" He said, "A surah has just been revealed to me," and then recited, "In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. Verily we have given thee Kawthar, fount of abundance. Therefore turn to thy Lord for prayer and offer sacrifice, and surely thy enemy is cut off from the good." Then he, the Holy Prophet, said, "Do you know what Kawthar is?" We said, "Allah and his messenger know best." The Prophet said, "It, Kawthar, is a canal which my Lord the Exalted and Glorious has promised me, and there is an abundance of good in it. It is a cistern, and my people would come to it on the day of resurrection, and tumblers there would be equal to the number of stars. A servant would be turned away from, among the people gathered there. Upon this I would say, my Lord, he is one of my people, and he, the Lord, would say, you do not know that he innovated new things in Islam after you." Ibn Hujr made this addition in the Hadith. He, the Holy Prophet, was sitting amongst us in the mosque, and he, Allah, said, "You don't know what he innovated after you." However, the Hadith introduces an exception, Surah at-Tawbah. This surah begins without the customary Bismillah, prompting us to explore the unique significance and divine wisdom embedded within this exception. The absence of Bismillah in Surah at-Tawbah invites us to reflect deeply on the themes and context of this surah. Scholars have delved into the spiritual insights behind this exception, adding layers of understanding to our engagement with the Quran. As we conclude this exploration, we invite you to delve into the Quran, pondering not just on the verses but also on the divine introductions. If you found this enlightening, don't forget to like, share and subscribe too. Until next time, may the peace and blessings of Allah be upon you all. Jazakallah khair.